it. Pick it. Daddy! Daddy, you can pick it up with your hand. You kill him?
No, he's still alive.
Huh?
He's still alive.
How is he hanging? Huh?
Hmm?
How's he hanging? Daddy. Wait, Daddy, pull it up.
You got it upside down. Turn it around. Stop. Twirl it.
Okay.
Alright, oh, hold on. Let me fix it for you.
He's getting out.
Yep, there you go.
Ready? Daddy, watch out.
Go ahead. I got you. Go. Where'd it go?
I feel something hard. Dad, I just feel something hard. Daddy.
Yeah.
Maybe, okay. That hard.
Yeah. We need to get us a boat. Yeah, I see it, Papa. You think you're gonna get a fish today?
It's not here. It's a hard bite.
Yeah.
Why do crabs always early when people? Daddy, he has a big fish line.
Yeah, they're fishing for that. You got the jellyfish.
Huh?
Say hi, jellyfish.
Yeah, look at that green one.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. How are you?
Oh, they're everywhere. You don't want to fall in this water. You'll get stung. Yeah, you got to cast it again.
I did not come off.
You tightened it up. You reeled it in too tight. Push that button.
Huh?
Push that button.
This one?
The blue button.
Why?
So you can release some of it.
Huh?
Oh, no, you put it up too tight. Hold on. Come on. Pop up.
In the world.
Good job.
So, now we just gotta wait for 100 minutes. Wait. Dad, let me catch a fish.
You got one?
Daddy, you see that? Yeah, you see that thing?
Look at all those fish, Cooper.
Did I catch one of them?
No, go put it down. Put it down. Put it down there. I'll stop.
You got it?
No, they left.
Daddy,
Oh, you got one?
Huh?
Oh, he was chasing it.
Huh?
He was chasing it.
He would. Daddy, one of his friends bite apart. One of the friend was getting close. One of
Yeah.
the friends